Assalamualaikum to all parents and students. Today we are covering number workbook page number 20, 21, 22, 23. The topic over here is odd and even numbers. What are odd numbers and what are even numbers? You see, odd numbers are numbers that cannot be divided. Even numbers are numbers that can be divided. I have examples over here on the board. First we will do the examples, then we will go on to our workbook page. So even numbers are always colored in blue and odd numbers are always colored in red. So I have these two markers to differentiate between them. Alright, now first of all I have these sweets and I have two students, a pair of two students on the other side. First I have a chocolate over here. See, I have how many chocolates? I have one chocolate. How many chocolates do I have? I have one chocolate. I have one chocolate. Alright, now can one be divided into two students? Meaning, can this one chocolate be divided into these two students? I have only one chocolate and I have two students. So let's see. If I give this one chocolate to this student, you see, if I give that one chocolate to that student, would I be able to give another chocolate to the other student? No, because I only have one chocolate. So I gave this one chocolate to this student. I did not give anything to this one. So one is non-dividable, one is an odd number. So let's put a red line under the odd numbers. Alright, now let's look at the second example. I have two candies over here, two sweets over here. Alright, how many sweets do I have? I have two sweets over here, right? So let's see, is 2 an odd or even number? I'm going to divide these two sweets into a pair of two students. Let's see. Now I can give this one sweet, one candy to this boy or a girl, and I will give this one to this student. Okay. So was I able to divide these two sweets into two students? Yes, I was. So 2 is an even number because 2 is divisible. Let's put a blue line underneath it. I hope you understand this one. Now let's move on to the other example. I have 3 lollipops. How many lollipops do I have? 1, 2, 3. I have 3 lollipops with me. So let's see, is it an odd or an even number? Okay. Now I have 2 students and I have 3 candies with me over here. Let's give each one lollipop and see if it's odd or even. I can give this lollipop to this student and I can give the other lollipop to this student. Oh, so we have one lollipop is left. So that means I was not able to divide them properly, and that means 3 is an odd number. So I'll put a red line underneath the odd numbers. Now let's do the other example. Oh, I have one cupcake that is less. Let's draw one more cupcake over here just to make it a little bit more better. Okay. Now I have, how many cupcakes do I have over here? I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cupcakes. How many cupcakes were there? There were 4 cupcakes. And how many students did I have? I had 2 students. If you are not able to see it clearly, let me zoom it for you. Alright. Now, I had 4 cupcakes and I've written 4 over here and I had 2 students. Let's, just distribute them. Let's try to divide them. If I give 2 cupcakes to each student, then I will be able to divide. You see, if I give these 2 to this boy or girl and I give these 2 to this one. So was I able to divide? Yes, I was able to divide. So that means 4 is a even number. And let's move on to the other example. Now I have licorice sticks. Okay, these are sweet candy. These are also candies, a type of candy, licorice. We call them licorice. Alright. And how many licorice do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 licorice sticks I have. I'm going to write 5 over here. Let's see if I can divide these 5 licorice sticks into 2 students. Let's see. If I give 2 to each, would I be able to divide? Let's see. If I give 2 to this boy or girl and I give 2 to this boy or girl, Oh, there is 1 still left. So that means 5 is a non-dividable number. So that means 5 is a odd number. So I'll put a red line underneath 5. Alright, now let's do the last example. I have marshmallows with me. How many marshmallows do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many marshmallows do I have? I have 6 marshmallows. Let me just write 6 over here, okay? Now let's see, if I divide them by 3, let's do a bigger number. If I divide them by 3, like 1, 2, 3, this is one set and this is the other set. Would I be able to divide these 3 marshmallows, 6 marshmallows in total, to each student? Yes, I would. If I give this marshmallow area to this boy or girl and I would give this one pair or set to this one, yes, I was able to divide. That means 6 is an even number. So if you pay attention, it only means that you just have to keep on skipping the number and moving forward. Meaning you just have to know the first 2 numbers. Meaning I knew that 1 was an odd number through our activity and we found out that 2 was an even number. This was an odd number and this was an even number. We found out that now we just have to keep on skipping. Meaning 1 is odd and 2 is even. So 3 is odd and 4 is even and 5 is odd, or just odd, skip, odd, skip, odd, skip, and keep on moving till 10 or wherever your counting is leading you. I hope the activity was useful for you to understand. Let's move on to our work now. Now let's get on to our workbook page. First of all, we will write the day, then the date, and we have our activity over here, and we have this is how your workbook page looks like. I have 2 colors with me. I have a red color for the odd numbers, blue color for the even numbers, and I have a pencil with me. But first, let's write the date. Today is Wednesday. Drawing 2 lines like this, joining them with slanting lines. This is your W, W, K, and dash E. Look, we have the same length. W-E-D, wed, N-E-S, ness, same length as the first T, D-A-Y, day, Wednesday, W-E-D, wed, N-E-S, ness, D-A-Y, day, W-E-D, wed, N-E-S, ness, D-A-Y, day, Wednesday. This D over here is silent, Wednesday. It is not Wednesday, it's Wednesday, alright? Now, you have to keep a difference between your language date and your number date. Urdu is completely different. Today is 25th, 2/5/25, and we put a dot over here. And November is the 11th month of the year. So we will write 1111 over here. And the year 2020. Well done if you have done your work till here. Very good. Now your number workbook page looks like this. Alright. For classwork and homework both. We have 1 to 10. Alright. And you should remember one thing, that 1 and 0 are written separately. And that is how we will write 10. But over here it is not for the purpose of counting or for the purpose of sums. It is just over here for, we're just writing it over here for an example. It's like a number line. On number line, we write 1, 0, 10 together, not on separate lines, right? So it's the same as that. That is why I've written 10 in one block. Otherwise, it's in different blocks. I have even numbers over here and odd numbers over here. I just have to sort them out in different. Now, from the activity we did before, you found out that 1 was an odd number and 2 was an even number. You just have to remember that 1 is an odd number, and after that everything will be easy for you. Now let's write 1 over here, and you have to leave one block after writing. That is why I drew extra blocks. 1 was an odd number. Now what comes after 2? Sorry, 1. What comes after 1? 2. We will skip 2 and write what comes after 2? 3. Alright, now what comes after 3? 4. Right? What came after 1? 2. We skip 2. What comes after 3? 4. Let's skip 4. What comes after 4? 5. And what comes after 5? 6. Skip. What comes after 6? 7. You see, we're all going according to our activity. We found out that 5 was a odd number, 3 was a odd number, 1 was a odd number, so it's the same as that. Now what comes after 7? 8. Skip. What comes after 8? 9. Now after you're done with your odd numbers line, you have to just color in it. I'm just going to put a shade in it, but you have to properly color, and your color should be very light. Alright, color the odd numbers with red. Now let's move on to even numbers. Alright, let's move on to even numbers. Now we found, I told you to remember that 2 was a even number. So let's start from 2. We will write it with a pencil, and at the end we will color. Okay, so 2 was an even number. What comes after 2? 3. Skip. What comes after 3? 4. See, my numbers should be in the same block. Alright, what comes after 4? 5. Skip. What comes after 5? 6. What comes after 6? 7. Skip. 7. What comes after 7? 8. Now you have to write 8 like this, okay? Don't draw 2 circles and join them. No, that is not correct. Alright, what comes after 8? What comes after 8? 9. Skip. What comes after 9? 10. Now you will write 1 and 0 in separate blocks like this. Alright. And at the end you will color or put a shade on, light color, very beautiful colors in the blocks over here. Okay. I'm just shading it so we can recognize the odd and even numbers separately. Very lightly you will color it. Alright, so this is our work for today. I hope it was good for you. The concept was understandable and easy, and thank you. I hope this video was informative. Allah Hafiz.